Uh-huh.
Are we on like Donkey Kong?
Yeah.
Alright, we're back on track. All these fat women have to eat, so I have to take a break.
You could tell, because look
Now we're gonna make the
they all
crepas.
showed up.
The crepas, crepes in French. Now this is a non-stick pan. So they say. It was bought at the 99-cent store, so I don't know. You're just gonna do a little butter.
Okay.
Just a little butter. Medium heat. 1 Michoacan, 2 Michoacan. You know, you gotta let it be a little hot. How hot? As hot as the guy making it. Must be sizzling. Mira. Alright, now look at the consistency. It's a little loose, like me. Alright? I let this rest for a few minutes. If you let it rest overnight, ooh, it's gonna be even looser. You'll be ready to get down. Alright.
Down on it.
Now, how big do you want your crepes?
Go big or go home.
Now it's hot enough. I'm gonna do it quickly. I'm gonna try 4. Right? And look at the technique. You wanna go around and around. Make it real thin till you run out. ¿Ah? ¿Qué pasó? Ya no hay. Boom. Back. Leave it. Leave it. Please notice the edges are gonna brown. And you're gonna get little bubbles in the middle. Where are the bubbles?
They're coming.
About a minute. About a minute. Not a Mexican minute, because that'd be like half an hour. A regular white minute.
So you don't recommend using the pancake batter?
No.
Okay.
I also don't recommend being stupid. Uh-oh, I need my paddle. Where's my paddle?
It's gonna burn. Burn, baby, burn.
Uh-oh.
Oof.
Yeah, I'll use this one.
Ni modo.
Alright, I think I'm getting ready.
Yeah, you can see it kind of like...
Depending on your stove, this stove is a little lazy, so a little higher heat. It shouldn't take that long, because they're very, very thin. Look at that. Look at that. It comes off all by itself. Okay? Now if you want to show off like I like to show off. Uh-oh. It's a little wet. I'm not going to do it. Pow! Right in the kisser.
I thought you were going to do it.
Well, it's a little wet, the pan. It's a little wet. Once it gets encrusted with oil, it'll be very slippery. That's what she said. Yeah. Alright, now we need a plate.
Who the heck is going to eat this? We just ate.
Oh, don't worry. There's always somebody ready to eat crepes.
Are you going to do all your garnish and whatnot?
We could, but you know the French just eat them with a little salt and a little lemon.
Really?
Yes. I don't know why, but that's... Ah, see, it's getting loose. It's getting loose.
Hey.
Not quite cooked yet.
Nope.
The flame was not as hot as I expected, but the first 1 or 2, they don't come out as pretty. But then after that, it's all go. Do. That's it. That's good enough. You put it there. Right? Watch the second one. Little butter. Not too much. Because remember, it's a non-stick already. Boom. 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 Juan.
Go quick, right?
Tú. Él. Ella. We're learning Spanish. We're learning to cook. See how that runs better? Because the pan is slippery. Look at that. Watch, it's already cooking faster. It's like when you first get together with a new girlfriend. First time, it's like you can't find the angle. You can't put it in. You can't, it's like, it's a mess. But second time, third time, fourth time, gets better.
Oh yeah, I could totally tell the difference. Yeah.
I once had a girlfriend talking about girlfriends. Man, it took me like 20 times to get it right.
Why is that?
Apparently I had big thighs and so did she. And we weren't, you know. But then I said, pillows. Pillows will do the work. I'll put 2 pillows under there, problem solved.
Took you 20 times to realize that.
Well, I wasn't in a hurry or nothing. And she was okay, please. She kept coming back.
How pretty.
Yeah, these are pretty. Look at that. And that's a crepe. See? It's very thin. You can see through it. I remember.
Hey, wait. Blooper.
Remember, these have a little bit of. They mix my flour with whole wheat.
Oh,
They're a little
right.
thick. But if you just use the regular flour, man, they come out real fluffy. I don't use egg on it for obvious reasons. I'm allergic to egg.
But could you?
But if you did egg, they would be fluffier.
Oh.
Man, they come out within 30 seconds. Put it in, out. Put it in, out. That's what she said. She's always saying stuff like that. What's her fucking problem? Okay.
And that, my friends, is the crepes.
Now, you want to do a topping?
You can.
Oh, you know what? You know what?
What?
Oh, pendejo. Crepe Suzette. Mexicans don't know what that is.
So teach
Crepe
them.
Suzette is a special crepe that is cooked with orange sauce. And I have orange sauce because I made some orange sauce a long time ago. Let's see.
Good luck finding it. We gotta do a new
Where's the orange sauce?
whole haul of
The goddamn orange sauce.
organizing all this. Look at
Where's
this.
the orange
Look at
sauce?
this. Look at that.
Carol! ¿Te acuerdas la botella de orange sauce que tenía? ¿Te la acabaste?
Told you. I would try. But why would I try? Epic failure, epic failure, epic failure. Telling you.
Somebody ate the orange sauce.
Oh, his girlfriend showed it. 2, 4, 6, 7.
Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. Alright, screw the orange sauce. We're gonna do a strawberry flambe.
Oh my god, I ate too much. I'm hiccuping.
I happen to have some strawberry thingies with some sugar. That's okay. You can just use strawberries, add sugar. That's okay. We call it flambe because we're gonna put it on fire. But I cannot put it on fire today because I don't have any liquor. Because my old lady drank it all. Drunk all the time. Where's the butter?
Right in front of you, bro.
Butter, 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 butter. Swing. Little bit of butter.
Okay.
Remember, we cook with the heart. Who needs recipes? Do you need a recipe when you go look for a girlfriend? No. No, you don't. Just go for it. Tome, güey. We're gonna reduce the strawberries to the point where they become syrupy. Syrupy. Little more fire because I don't want to be here all day long. I gotta go see the other woman. You know, over there I don't cook. I get cooked. Ay, pendejo. Now, if you were at a French restaurant or a fancy Mexican restaurant, Mexicans are easily impressed with fire. So, you at the end, you add the liquor, then you light it up, boom, and everybody's like, whoa.
Oh, like when you go to like Benihana and everybody's like, oh my god, they're cooking in front of us.
Right.
I got sick.
This is how the French
From
roll
one of those.
their crepes, triangular. Because they're gay. Right? Why do they do it like that? I don't know. They look good. Americans roll. Because they like rock and roll, I guess. But they roll like that. If you're going to roll them, you can put it in. Right? But these are crepes. And by definition, they are French. Cálmate, güey. Right? Hey, let's do both.
Okay.
See, this doesn't take long. Does it cover the back of the spoon? Not yet. Not yet. You'll know when it's syrupy. You know, kind of like Aunt Jemima, except for strawberries. Oh, it's there. It's there. It's there. Then your pan gets sticky. Look at that. It gets sticky. That's the sugar.
But you gotta have a non-stick, or si no se te va a quemar.
Nah.
No?
No.
I can't imagine it not being stuck at my house.
Well, just don't put it at such a high flame like I do. But I'm a professional.
Oh, God.
Well, they said I'm a professional. I said, you're a pro, Juan. I think they meant prostitute. So you want to go American made, right? You put a little bit this way, right? And you roll it. How do you roll it? Like a joint, fool, like you don't know. All you motherfuckers roll joints. You know how to do it. The French, they're a little classier.
They just garnish it, huh?
Yeah. Órale, pendejo. Right? And if you feel lucky, you can put a little more right there.
Oh, how cute. All right.
You could add a little powdered sugar. You want to add some powdered sugar? Or is it too much sugar? Is it too much sugar?
I guess for the look.
Yeah, because it looked good, huh? But we need a
sifter or a colander.
You're a sifter!
Oh, you got a baby one? Well, I'm gonna jack that. Need it for my house.
Como, way?
Whatever, Le Cordon Bleu.
Cuba way. There you go.
All these skills, but he don't cook at home.
Which one? Which home?
Híjole. Está chido. Let's zoom it in. Can I zoom it in? Wow. Mira. What? That's tight.
Papi Juan signing off.
Deuces.